In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8.0, and let me show you how to activate camera timer in this device. So at first, just open your camera app, and then right here you've got the timer icon. Smoothly click on it and pick 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. I'll pick 10 seconds delay, and as you can see, from now on the picture will be grabbed after the countdown, in my case 10 seconds countdown. Obviously you can pick 2 or 5 seconds delay, whichever you need to apply in some particular moment. And this is it. Then you can turn it off by tapping on off, and now the picture will be grabbed right after you click. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.